Hey guys, Alex Ferrero with Green Scene Home Inspections. I'm in an older age flip house today, and I want to show you some of the stuff that we look for. Okay, so I'm in the closet of this bedroom where we have an electrical panel. Okay, I'm going to flip you around here because that's what we always say. And so I went to unscrew this panel, and what we've done a great job at flipping this house. I've really seen nothing out of the ordinary until we called up one of our buddies who says he's an electrician, and he uses one of these sharp screws to go into the panel. Now, not only do these screws come very close to some of the electrical wiring in this panel, but they also, if you can see here, I'm not going to push on it too hard, but these slide right out of the thread. So this is not even firmly attached to the wall. Now, likely this bedroom would be a bedroom where a child will be sleeping in, and they'd like to get into things. So if this panel cover comes off, we're exposing that child to the dangers of what lurks behind that panel. So let's go ahead and get a home inspection for every home that you purchase, okay? Green Scene Home Inspections. Thank you.